Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the questions that we have already done, that is displaying list. So today we are going to discuss some questions related to displaying list. So here is your word from Mathematica software. Now we are going to take a new document, then maximize it. Okay, so our first question related to that displaying list. As in displaying list, in the previous video we have already discussed some points, that is list line plot and bar chart, pie chart, etc. So now we will do some questions related to that. So our first question is, make a bar chart of the given numbers. So for that we are going to use the command as bar chart as shown here. Then we will use this bracket and we are going to write the numbers, that is 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Then close both the brackets and press shift and enter key, and we will get the result as shown here. Now moving to the next question. Our next question is, make a pie chart of numbers ranging from 1 to 10. So for pie chart we just write this pie chart, and for 1 to 10 we will define the range as range in bracket 10. Then we will close both the brackets and press shift and enter key, and we will get the result as shown here. So here is our pie chart for this range for 1 to 10. Now in the next question, our next question is, make a bar chart of numbers counting down from 20 to 1. So for that we will write the bar chart as shown here. Then for range 20 to 1 we will write reverse range. So for that we will write first reverse, then in bracket we will define the range of 20, then we will close all the brackets, then we will press shift and enter key. So here you can see the bar chart ranging from 20 to 1. Now our next question is, display number from 1 to 5 in columns. So for that we are going to use this column as our command. Then we will write range, and in range we will write this 5 and close the brackets, then press shift and enter key, and we will get the result as, in column you can find this 1 2 3 4 5. Now our next question is, make a number line plot of the squares, that is 1 4 9 16 and 25. So for number line plot we will write number line plot as shown here. Then we will use both the brackets and we will write 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 comma 25. Then close both the brackets and press shift and enter key, and here is your result as shown here. Now in the next question it is written that, make a pie chart with 10 identical segments, each of size 1. So as in the previous case you have made this pie chart, but the length, that the segment size is not same, and in here we have to make this size identical. So for that what we are going to do is, we will write first pie chart, then brackets, then we have to write this 1 for 10 times because we want 10 segments. Okay, let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now we will close both the brackets and press shift and enter key, and now you can find all the segments are of now equal length. See, they are all equal, and we have this 10 segments. Now our next question is, make a column of pie chart with 1 2 and 3 identical segments. So for that what we are going to use is, first we will use this column operation. So for that we will write column In bracket, we will write pie chart. Pie chart of weight. Okay, so here we want this in the column form. So what we are going to use is pie chart. Then we will use both the brackets and write here 1. Then again comma. And we will use pie chart. Then 1 comma 1. Again we want 3 pie charts. So here pie chart brackets 1 comma 1 comma 1. Close all the brackets. Press shift and enter key. And now you can find this pie chart are represented on columns which have one segment, 2 equal segments and 3 equal segments, and they are all in column. Now our next question is, for the same question we are going to keep it in a list. So for that we have to write this list, and after writing this list we want the same input as we have kept here. So we will just copy it and Ctrl C, and we are going to paste it here. Shift and enter key. Let's remove one bracket. Okay, now shift and enter key. So here you can see they are made the list of these pie charts. Now in the next question, what we have to do is make a bar chart of the sequence 1 to 10 and then 9 to 1. So for that we are going to use the command as bar chart. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And close both the brackets, then press shift and enter key. And we will get the graph as shown here. Now the next question says, make a list of pie chart, bar chart and line plot of numbers ranging from 1 to 10. So in this case, we will write list, then pie chart. Range of pie chart is range 10, comma. Then we will write bar chart. Again we want the range as 10. Then we will write list line plot. List line plot. Then we will again define the range as 10. Then close the brackets, press shift and enter key, and you will see the result. It is making the list of pie chart, bar chart and the line graph as shown here. Now our next question is, make a list of pie chart and bar chart, and we have given some input. So let's write for that. Again we are going to use this list, then bracket, then pie chart, and we are going to write the input given, that is comma 13, comma 21, comma 34, comma 55. Okay, so it is our given input. After that we want to plot the bar graph, that is bar chart, and the input is same here also. So we will just copy it, Ctrl C, and paste it here. Close the bracket, shift and enter key, and you will see the result as shown here. We have made the list of bar graph and this pie chart. Now, our next question is, make a column of two number lines and given input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is range of 5. So for that, to represent in the column form, we will write column, then brackets. For number line plot, we will directly write number line plot. Then we will define the range, that is 5 here. Close the bracket, comma, and again we will write the same because we want again this number line plot, that is range 5. And now close the brackets, shift and enter key, and you will find this in the column form, that is both the number lines in a column form. And our last question is, we have to plot the number line plot for the fractions. So here we are going to write again the number line plot, then use these brackets, and after that we want 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 up to 1 by 9. Okay, now close both the brackets and press shift and enter key, and you will see the result as this is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. So here is the graph, and this Wolfram Mathematica 2 Miracle. So for that you have to learn Wolfram Mathematica. It is really a mathematician, it knows everything. And I hope you like this video, and in the next video we will discuss another things. So for this video, if you have any query, please ask in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss the update. Thank you. Have a nice day.